Well, everybody, this is going to be my first time, my first wire system test 1. So yeah, maybe one of these days I'll do a system test videos, my first time system test fire alarm videos. So yeah, which I'll explain a little bit. So here we have my Firelight BG12 and my Wheelock LSM. So yeah, it is LSM 2420, as you can see. But yeah, this is my first fire alarm system test. And here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Yep, my first system test. With these 9-volt batteries right here on the spy book. As you can see. Let's reset. And yeah, my first system test wire video. My first wire system test 1. You can also do this too. So yeah, and it flashes faster too. So yeah. That was my first system test 1. Not just regular system test, but like my first wired system test 1. So yeah, that's all. And I'll see you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.